Those big companies, they're gonna find a loophole or a way around my patent. I just know it. Hey everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney. And this objection, this concern is very valid. Those big companies, they have engineers, scientists, lawyers, patent attorneys, really smart people. And that's their job, is to go find new solutions to design around other people's patents. So you shouldn't be fearful of this. This is going to happen. This is the way evolution of innovation changes. But you shouldn't be too scared, because if you get the right invention patented, meaning if your rights are big enough, and if you work with a patent attorney, hopefully you choose bold patents, we'll get you a patent that's nice and broad, that cannot easily be designed around or loopholes found within it. But if you draft your own, or you use a low cost provider, your patent is really not going to be worth very much, because that's it. People can design around it easily, or it's so narrow, it's not worth the paper it's written on. Let's dive into some examples about how to overcome this fear. Reframe what your perspective is, and think truly that a well-written patent is designed to specifically close and eliminate loopholes. So yeah, it's true that patents, some of them have loopholes, but if you've written it well, work with an attorney, it will eliminate that ability. First inventor example today is Kyle Vogt. This is Cruise Automation. They make self-driving cars. You might know that. They developed patents around autonomous driving systems before scaling their operations. When GM acquired Cruise for over $1 billion, part of the value was their patent portfolio, covering navigation, sensor fusion, and control systems. Those filings that Cruise had, they focused on how multiple sensors and software interact, making it really hard for competitors to replicate the same driving approach. And so Chevy, right, these big companies, GM, when they purchased that, they're looking to potentially enforce those against Ford or Tesla or Waymo, other companies that are making self-driving cars. It's sort of like ammunition, threatening to be able to put those other companies in court. Number two, Brian Armstrong, Coinbase. Coinbase has filed patents around crypto security, transaction systems, and a wallet infrastructure. Those patents anticipated variations in blockchain implementations to prevent simple workarounds by competitors. Several filings were done. So this is a theme. If you've got something big, you're not just going to want to have one patent. You're going to want to build a portfolio, several filings, just like Coinbase did, to secure their key management and transaction verification, core mechanics that competitors rely on across a lot of crypto platforms. So Coinbase didn't rely on just one patent feature. They patented the whole system so that others really couldn't find a loophole around it. Last example, number three, Stuart Butterfield. This is Slack. Slack filed patents covering messaging and the interface structures and collaboration systems while the production system scale. These patents focus on workflow structures, making it harder for competitors to replicate the exact operational model. The patents cover how channels, conversations, and notifications all interact, protecting the collaboration framework, not just the interface. So Slack protected the mechanics, the steps, the process of how workplace messaging would work, not just the app, not just the high-level surface stuff. It's the core mechanics that really is the common denominator and cannot be replaced easily. That's what a bulletproof, a leak-proof, and loophole-proof patent can be. So if you want to get started toward that, we do just that at Bold Patents. We make bulletproof, loophole-proof patents. Book a free discovery call to get your first start. See if what we've got offered is a good fit for you. See if you're a good fit for us. Go to boldpatents.com and make your discovery call booking today. I'm JD Houvener, wishing you an awesome one. Go big, go bold.